Hello everyone, and welcome to Forex Trading Made Easy. Today is Wednesday, January 5th, 2010, and today I want to show you the two charts that I keep every day that I trade. I think you'll be surprised to learn that I hand draw both of these charts myself. Here's the first one, and it's called Point and Figure. All it is a series of X's and O's. The X's when prices are rising and the O's are drawn when it's declining. Now I use this chart not so much for entry and exit, but to keep me focused on where the prices are going. For example, if I see a lot of X's that are rising compared to the O's, then I'll probably be buying that day. Let's take a look at my accounting. Notice how I was buying all day until the last trade of the day. I was doing that because Point and Figure was showing me the way. Here are my two losses. When subtracted from the gainers, gave me a net gain of 59 pips for the day. Here's my first trade of the day. I ended up making 6 pips on that, and then losing 6 pips on the next trade. Notice how the signal line on the left-hand chart was curling up. That's another indication that we should just be buying. You'll also notice I've sped up the video so it won't take so long. Here's the trade where I made 6 pips on the first position and then was stopped out for a loss of 2 pips on the next. You can see how I moved the stop line up after the first position closed out. Here are the two trades that made 6 pips apiece. All I'm doing here is placing limit orders, hoping they'll get filled as prices rise. Now I want to tell you about my last trade, since it was a short sale. And that brings up the second chart that I keep each day. It's simply a log of prices every 15 minutes. By doing this, I can calculate an oscillator, which I call Oscar. Oscar tends to change direction right about the time prices do. When I see this happening, I get set up for the trade, like I'm doing now. Once again, all I'm doing is placing limit orders, in this case below the market. While I'm being filled, I calculate where I'll exit the trade to make my 5% for the day. Sometimes prices will pop up. That's why I have a stop line for each of the positions. If I get stopped out, but prices continue in my direction, I'll just go ahead and replace the trade. Here you can see on the point and figure chart what a large decline we had at the end of the day. Here's the accounting again, and you can see by keeping these two charts I can plan my strategy as well as the direction of prices. I'm George Smith. Thanks for watching Forex Trading Made Easy.